Shaking hands with the elderly. A handshake with an elderly person is a gesture of respect, warmth, and acknowledgement, signaling equality while requiring sensitivity to physical limitations. It should be gentle, warm, and often initiated by the elder, emphasizing connection over a firm, business-like grip. It conveys honor and attentive care. Usage examples and tips. Gentle approach. Use a light, gentle grip, especially if the person has arthritis, which is often indicated by enlarged knuckles. Follow their lead. Wait for the elderly person to initiate the handshake, especially in traditional setting. See some Quora users in a Facebook post. Eye contact and smile. Maintain eye contact to show you are sincere and happy to see them. Avoid over-pumping. Do not pump the hand up and down excessively. One or two gentle shakes are sufficient. Cultural alternatives. In many Asian and Filipino cultures, this can be accompanied by a slight bow, or in the Philippines, pagmamano, placing their hands on your forehead. Synonyms and related gestures. Pagmamano, mano, a Filipino tradition of taking the elder's hand and pressing it to one's forehead. Salim, an Indonesian's Malay term for a similar greetings to elder. Hand and fellowship, symbolizing agreement or respect, especially in a CIS Christian Study Library article. Respectful greetings, a formal acknowledge. Reverent shakes, highlighting the deference to age. Key considerations: do not squeeze. The grip should not be firm. Unlike a typical business handshake, do not pull away. If they hold on for longer than 5 seconds, it is common in many cultures to allow them to lead, say Quora users. Watch for comfort. If they pull away, it may hurt, so do not force. It says a Quora post. This is Vanessa Vegas Daily Vlog. Thank you for watching. Until next time.